Red Bull revealed their RB20, marking the team as the 10th and final contender to unveil their design for the upcoming 2024 Formula One season. The grand spectacle took place at the team's Milton Keynes base, with star drivers Max Verstappen and Sergio Perez adding a touch of glamour to the momentous occasion. Building on the triumph of its predecessor, the RB19, the RB20 inherits a legacy of success, having clinched victory in nearly every race of the previous season. This accomplishment hasn't gone unnoticed, as other teams across the grid have taken inspiration from the RB19's design concepts, incorporating similar elements into their own cars. During the RB20's grand reveal in Milton Keynes, the team maintained its iconic navy blue scheme, retaining a sense of tradition. The anticipation lingers as Red Bull embraces a more aggressive concept for the upcoming season, while aiming to maintain the high performance level of the RB19. As the rest of the grid mimics the bulbous side pod and innovative suspension adjustments introduced by Red Bull and the RB19, there is a palpable sense of competition in the air. However, the risks associated with imitation are acknowledged. The challenge lies in staying ahead of the curve, innovating on a design rather than simply replicating it. Verstappen, known for his candid remarks, said, quote, "I saw the drawings at Abu Dhabi at the last race, and I was like, wow, that's quite different. In a way, they've not been conservative, let's say like that." End quote. The team's ambition to be innovative and push the boundaries resonated with Verstappen, who commended their willingness to take chances. Despite the departure from the successful RB19 design, Verstappen is confident in the team's controlled aggressiveness, emphasizing that it's not a reckless gamble. Red Bull's decision to deviate from a proven formula underscores their commitment to progress and a relentless pursuit of improvement. However, this audacious move is not without its risks. The RB20's reshaped engine cover, reminiscent of Mercedes' 2023 design, is a distinctive feature that will undoubtedly turn heads. Verstappen labels it as Red Bull's style, emphasizing the team's unique take on the inspiration drawn from their competitors. Before you zoom off F1 For You fam, I want to hear your take on Red Bull's audacious RB20. Are you loving the innovation, or do you think they've taken too big of a leap? Don't keep it on mute. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights are like the turbo boosters that keep our community running full throttle. And hey, if you enjoyed the ride today, give that thumbs up a little tap. Share this video with your fellow gearheads, and make sure you're subscribed for all the adrenaline-fueled content heading your way. Side Pod Secrets. As we dissect the RB20, one can't help but notice its distinctive side pod design, a nod to Mercedes' zero-pod concept, but with Red Bull's unique flair. The reshaped engine cover and the narrow side pod inlets stand out as key features, catching the eyes of Formula One enthusiasts worldwide. What sets the RB20 apart is its adoption of a narrow side pod inlet, a trend recently observed in Mercedes' design. However, Red Bull takes a departure from the norm by ditching the lower lip, opting for a bolder upper lip that protrudes prominently. This upper lip extension starts in front of the cockpit and gracefully concludes just ahead of the rear wheels, creating a sleek and aerodynamic, unique profile. The decision to abandon the lower lip is a strategic move, as Red Bull pioneers an innovative solution with their big, sticking out upper lip. This daring choice challenges the status quo on the grid, as rival teams have been exploring renditions of the big lower lip inlet and undercut solutions in recent seasons. The RB20's upper lip, an extension of the side pod's top surface, is a defining feature, and beneath it lies a practically invisible tiny inlet. During the launch, smartly placed lights obscure the details below the upper lip, maintaining an air of mystery. However, glimpses from the Silverstone shakedown reveal a vertical inlet, snugly hugging the side of the cockpit. Beyond cooling, the RB20's vertically compact side pod design serves aerodynamics. The unique waterslide design on the top surface channels air towards the rear axle, optimizing downforce. Red Bull's engineering prowess shines through, creating a car that minimizes drag through reduced external bodywork cross-section while maximizing downforce, a perfect formula for a fast and competitive F1 car. Taking engineering risks. This compact yet wide side pod design creates a substantial undercut between the floor and the side pod, setting it apart from its counterparts. The contrast with Mercedes' previous approach, notably absent of such a pronounced undercut, hints at a potential key differentiator in performance. The significance of this undercut lies in its ability to channel air strategically. Firstly, it directs air over the crucial floor edges, a vital component of the Venturi tunnels under the car. These edges are ingeniously shaped to create vortices that enhance the downforce generated by the floor and diffuser. This, in turn, maximizes the car's overall performance on the track. Mercedes, lacking the pronounced undercut, might have missed a trick in optimizing this crucial aerodynamic feature. The RB20's design, with its focused undercut, aims at pushing the boundaries of what's possible in directing airflow for enhanced downforce and diffuser efficiency. Beyond the undercut, there's another intriguing addition to the RB20 side pod: the big shoulders, often referred to as cannons. These extend from where the halo ends to the rear of the car, housing additional cooling equipment. Drawing inspiration from Mercedes' W14 release spec, these cannons form a channel for air to flow from the rollover structure to the rear, contributing to overall performance improvements. However, the Red Bull twist lies in the aggressive drop of the cannons at the rear of the car, a departure from Mercedes' design. This innovation allows the channels to release their air at a lower point, optimizing the aerodynamic efficiency of the RB20's rear structure. The focal point of these daring choices lies in the redesigned side pod, meticulously crafted to channel copious amounts of air onto the diffuser, beam wing, and rear wing. The inspiration drawn from the W14, combined with Red Bull's signature undercut side pod design, sets the stage for an aerodynamic revolution. As Max Verstappen rightly puts it, it's an aggressive move, and the bravery inherent in Red Bull's design philosophy is evident. The objective is clear: to enhance overall performance by optimizing airflow while reducing the car's cross-section to minimize drag. This innovative approach, blending inspiration from a discarded Mercedes concept with Red Bull's own proven strategies, speaks volumes about the team's commitment to staying at the forefront of Formula One engineering. While the RB20's aggressive design choices might not guarantee a repeat of their 2023 dominance, it undoubtedly sends a message to the rest of the grid. The Formula One landscape is about to witness a new chapter, and the anticipation is palpable. What are your thoughts on Red Bull's bold moves? Are you surprised by the inspiration drawn from a car Mercedes quickly abandoned? And that's a wrap, F1 For You fans! We've delved into the heart of the RB20, dissecting its innovative features and bold design choices that promise to redefine Formula One dynamics. Red Bull's aggressive approach is setting the stage for an exciting season ahead. As always, drive safe, stay curious, and until next time, this is F1 For You signing off. Catch you in the next lap.